Students, we will solve question number 4 of exercise 4.3. It is a very interesting question. So first we will read out the question twice or thrice. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8 and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as rupees y. Write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. So students, you can understand the problem. So here there is 2 points in a city A and B, or we are traveling, or the person is traveling from point A to B, or distance is x kilometer between both the points. So the person hires the taxi. For 1 kilometer he has to pay rupees 8 for only first kilometer, and rest of the distance he has to pay rupees 5 पर किलोमीटर फॉर द सब्सिक्वेंट डिस्टेंस. मतलब यहाँ कहने का मतलब ये है, आप लोग इस चीज़ को समझें कि ए और बी 2 पॉइंट्स हैं और इनके बीच का डिस्टेंस है या बीच की दूरी है x किलोमीटर, और यहाँ पर ये बताया गया है क्वेश्चन में कि फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए 8 रुपीज़ आपको फेयर देना होगा और बाकी बचे हुए जितने भी किलोमीटर हैं उसमें 5 रुपीज़ पर किलोमीटर के हिसाब से आपको फेयर देना होगा, और टोटल आपको पेड करना होगा y रुपीज़. सो वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेरी वेल हाउ टू create an equation. So we will multiply rupees 8 into x, 1 kilometer into x, rupees 8 for the first kilometer, and plus x minus 1 into 5 rupees per kilometer is equal to total rupees y. तो फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए आपको कितना देना होगा? रुपीज़ 8. तो फर्स्ट किलोमीटर इंटू 8 कर दिया अपन. टोटल रुपीज़ क्या होगा फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए? 8 रुपीज़, प्लस टोटल डिस्टेंस था x, तो इसमें से 1 माइनस हो गया, तो व्हाट वी गॉट x माइनस 1 किलोमीटर. तो x माइनस 1 किलोमीटर में अपन क्या इंटू करेंगे? 5 का, तो टोटल मनी क्या आ जाएगी? रुपीज़ y. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. 8 1 जा 8, 5 into x, 5x minus 5 is equal to y. So we will get the equation 5x or 8 plus 8 minus 5 is equal to y. So now we are having the equation 5x plus 3 is equal to y, or transfer y in left hand side, so it will become minus, or that will be transferred here, so minus 3. That is the linear equation we have converted. Linear equation, we have created this equation. Now how to find out the solution of this equation? So we can find out to create a table, to produce a table, to construct a table here. So x and y, 2 values are there. So definitely 3 or 4 values are enough. Suppose you are putting x is equal to 0. It is equation number, we can say equation number 1. Suppose it is equation number 1. So put, first time we will put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 in equation 1. So what we got? X is equal to 0. So 5x minus y is equal to minus 3. Then put here 5 in place of x, 0 minus y is equal to minus 3. So 5 zeros are 0, minus y is equal to minus 3. So minus y is equal to minus 3, or minus will be cut. So y is equal to 3. Left hand side, right hand side, minus can be cut. So if we are putting x is equal to 0, so we will get y is equal to 3. Similarly, put x is equal to, suppose 1 you are putting in equation 1. In equation 1. So we will get 5x minus y is equal to minus 3. So 5 into 1 minus y is equal to minus 3. 5 1 ja 5 minus y minus 3. Then transfer, so 5 transfer minus 3 here, so plus 3, or minus y will be transfer right hand side, so it will become 8 is equal to y, or we can say y is equal to 8. So this is the solution. So we got x is equal to 1, so we calculated y is equal to 8. Similarly, two more values you can put here. If x is equal to minus 1, if you are putting x is equal to minus 1, so what we will get? So 5 1 ja minus 5, minus 5 plus 3, so minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2, so y is equal to minus 2, or one more value, if you are putting 2, so 5 2s are 10, or minus 2 you can put, 5 2s are minus 10, minus 3 plus minus 10, so minus 7 you will get here. So we have constructed the table. Now we have to draw a graph by using this table. So how to create or how to produce the graph? Students, now we will draw the graph, or we have constructed the table. The value of x and y is looking on the board 0 3 1 8 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 7. So we are coming in first point 0 comma 3. So where is 0? Definitely 0 lies between the intersecting point of two axes. At the point of intersection, it is called origin, or it may be 0 comma 0 we can write. So here on that point, coordinate of x will be 0 as well as coordinate of y is also 0 here. So we have to search the point x 0 or y 3, 0 comma 3. So 0, x is equal to 0 is here, but y is equal to 3 is here. So we will get this one point. So it is the first point of our linear equation. And one more, x 1 or y 8, x is equal to 1 is here, or y is equal to 8 is here. So we will get the point if we will draw. Suppose this point lies here, and after that minus 1 minus 2, so minus 1 or minus 2, so minus 1 on x axis or minus 2 on y axis, so we will get the point of intersection here. Now minus 2 comma minus 7, so minus 2 is here, or minus 7, minus 2 or minus 7, so minus 2 this one, or minus 7 this one, so we will get another point. Now we will draw the straight line to joining all 4 points, so that will be a straight line of equation, or equation we know that 5x minus y is equal to minus 3. So we will write here equation, or we can write the scale also. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, so there is no need of graph papers or graph copy for drawing such kind of graph, but you can do the practice to take 1 or 2 pages of graph paper to draw the graph for your practice. It is not compulsory to buy graph papers from the market. Only 1 or 2 paper you can collect from anywhere, or for the practice you can do, or directly you will solve all the problems in your fair notebook and take the distance approx 1 centimeter here. So you can easily draw the graph, or we are practicing how to draw the graph of linear equation. So this is the solution of question number 4. So such kind of question definitely will be asked in your exam. So you must do the practice of such kind of question. Students, now we will solve question number 6 of exercise 4.3. According to this question, a constant work is applying by someone to So you can read out the question 2 or 3 times. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in 2 variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force 5 units. So it is given constant force will be 5 units. So we have to find out and distance covered by the article or the body is 2 unit and 0 unit, or we have to find out the work done. It is our problem. So you can look the diagram here. If we are applying force from left hand side to right hand side, direction is, or it is constant force we are applying, so definitely this box will move in some distance, so that distance covered by this box is equal to D. So we know that work done is equal to force into distance. That means work done is directly proportional to distance. If there is no distance, so we can't say there is no work has been performed by someone. So the problem is depend on work done is equal to force into distance. So it is given in the problem, work done or force is 5 unit, constant force will be applied over the body, and distance covered by in first unit 2 unit or 0 unit, or let W is equal to Y, we have assumed. Or distance covered by, you can assume also X if you don't like D. So if we are assuming it X, so it will be better option. Suppose distance covered by box is equal to X, so we will apply F into X. So now we will create, or we will generate the equation Y is equal to F into X. So put the value of Y. Y is similar to Y here, and F is equal to 5 unit, or X is equal to, there are 2 conditions. First one 2, so 5 2s are 10, Y is equal to 5 2s are 10. It is first equation, or now we are having Y is equal to Fx. So we can construct the equation of linear equation. So here we can also write Y is equal to, F is equal to 5 unit, or X is equal to particular distance covered by applying the force to that particular direction. So 5 into X, or here you are putting 5 or distance covered by 2 units. So Y is equal to 10 unit. It is the work done. Y is equal to work done. So you can there are 2 ways you can solve the question. So if you like this one, so you can use this F is equal to 5, or I have applied here 5 into 2, 10. Now we will put here another value. So Y is equal to how much? 5 into X, or Y is equal to 5, or here 0 unit distance. So we will write 0. So Y 5 into 0 is equal to 0. So that is the answer number 2. Answer number 1 or answer number 2 it is. But now we have to draw the graph by using this equation. This equation is more important. Okay, so if you don't want to write, so there is no need to write Y is equal to Fx. You directly Y is equal to 5x you can put here. So that is better way. Now we have to draw the graph by using equation number 1. It is equation number 1. So Y is equal to 5x. So here we will draw the table like previous one here. So how can we draw the table? We know that we will write x and y, and 2, 3, 4 value are enough. Suppose you are putting 0, x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 5 into 0, 0. Then x is equal to 1, so 5 1 ja 5. x is equal to minus is not possible here because covered distance is not negative. Distance cannot be negative here, so we can't take here minus. But we can take 2, so 5 2s are 10 here, or फिर again 3, so 5 3s are 15 here. So we can draw the graph easily if we are using this table. So I am drawing the graph after students. Now we are having Cartesian plane, or we are having also the table of value of x and y. So there are two values x and y, or we have to represent graphical representation on Cartesian plane. So x and y. So here in first point or in first block you are looking x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. That means 0 0 is situated where? At the point of intersection of both the axes. So first point we got, and second point 1, 5. So distance on x axis 1 or distance on y axis 5. So 1, 5. So definitely you will get the point 1, and that is 5. Next one 2, 10. So 2, 10. You will get the point here. Now 3, 15. So the point lies at the top, or it is 15. So you will get 4 points. If you will join these points, so definitely you will get the straight line which is passing through the origin, or we can write down here equation y is equal to 5x, the equation of work done of force 5 unit and distance covered by the body is equal to x. So that is the simple representation, simple graphical representation of equation y is equal to 5x. So definitely the line passing through the origin point as well as 3, 15, or you can write the scale here. Scale is equal to, you have taken 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit here. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. It is the distance. You have taken x axis as well as y axis. So it is the graphical or simple graphical representation of question number 6. Students, now we will solve exercise 4.3 question number 7. Or question number 7 you should read out in the textbook. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9th of a school, together contributed ₹100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. So we have assumed, let Yamini contributed ₹X and Fatima contributed ₹Y. Total contribution is x plus y, which is given, total contribution is given ₹100. So that means ₹100. It is the equation. The equation is formed in two variable x and y. Suppose it is equation number 1. So how you can construct the table? Suppose if you are taking x or y, value x and y, or you can take 2 or 3 point if you like. So x and y. Suppose Yamini contributed ₹40 or ₹30 you can take. So y will be 70. So 30 70 is equal to 100. Now 40 60 will be 100, and 50 50 will be 100, and 60 40 will be 100. So you can put here x is equal to 30. So you will get y is equal to 100 minus 30 is equal to 70. Now you can put x is equal to 40. So y is equal to 100, transfer 40 in right hand side. So 100 minus 40 60. Similarly you can put x is equal to 50. So y is equal to 100 minus 50 is 50. And again put x is equal to 60. So y is equal to 40. So definitely we can draw the graph very easily. How? it is point of origin, or we can say origin point 0, 0. Or here you can draw scale, you can take here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 unit or 10 rupees here. So you can take 1 centimeter is equal to, so here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. You can also take here on y-axis, it is y-axis or it is x-axis. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. So 30, 70, 30, 70, first point. So 70 is here and 30 you can draw like this, you will get the point of intersection here. And second point 40, 60, to 60 will be here and 40 is here. So 40, 60. You will get second point 50, 50. So 50, 50. So 50 is here, or you will get one more point 50, 50, 50. Then 60, 40. So 60, 40. So 60 is there. You will draw 60 and 40 from here. So you will get another point. Or if you will join these points, so you will get the straight line. Or you can write on that line x plus y is equal to 100. So it is the graphical representation of question number 7. Similarly, you can solve all the problems of this exercise easily. It is not a very difficult task if you will properly understand the problem, what the question says and how you solve. If you know the right technique, so definitely you can solve easily such kind of question.